Hi everyone, I am here ready to do a new set, but first I have to show you something and talk a little bit about something that is not so glamorous in the nail world, but you see it being done. This is where your nails grow out from underneath your enhancement. That's natural. That's what happens. You wear enhancements and your nails grow out from underneath. And as you can see here, they get long and then they start to lift and then they collect some dirt under there. And they can become long under there. And once you see this, you can also see me here that I already did the pinky and I did the pointer finger. Already taken care of that. And what you have to decide when your nails start growing out to a nice length, you have to decide, are you going to continue to wear enhancements or are you going to go with your natural nails, remove your product and maybe apply an overlay on your natural nails, or just remove all the product, cut your nails down and do another set, which isn't really necessary. I always wear a nail bed like this on my nails so that I can add a tip to it and I'll have a French nail. Or if I want to have an accent nail, I usually use the ring finger and just remove everything and just make that different. But like I said, I always wear nail beds, so I want to continue to wear this enhancement, but I need to get rid of this nail that's lifting underneath. And what I'm going to do is file it off. And right here, I'm showing you the hyponychium under the nail, and that is the seal that protects the nail bed so that no dirt or anything will get under the nails. And no, I am not here to give you a big, long, drawn out, hour-long nail anatomy lesson. I'm not here to do that. I want to show you how I remove this. So let's go ahead and get started. Now you can use a smooth top safety bit that's domed like this. This isn't a safety bit though. This one is not smooth on the top. As long as it will fit under the nail, it wouldn't be good for the pinky nail because it's a little bit too big for that. Or you can use a cone bit like this, which would be great for the pinky because it's, more narrow on the tip of it. And then of course it would work for the other nails. And that's what I'm going to use in this video. I'm going to be using this cone bit to remove that nail that has grown out underneath the enhancement. And I am working with my non-dominant hand, so I'm going to be extra careful. And I begin on a low speed, probably at about a 6 or a 7. That would be 6,000 rotations per minute. RPMs. And then I'm just going to go back and forth. And it looks like I am pushing that into the hyponychium area down inside the nail, which I'm not. It's barely touching. And I am tapping out the dust on the side here. But yeah, I just go from one side, lift up, and then go back to the other side. Do you see that? That's what I do. I just start at one side, go to the other, back and forth until I remove all or most of that nail that's lifted underneath. And I don't have to get every bit of it. I just want to get that part that lifted. I mean, you could take it down all the way further, on down if you like, but just be very careful and work really slow. And it's harder when you're using your non-dominant hand to do yourself. I mean, if you're doing a client, it's going to be much easier for you. I tap out the dust. And once I get the nails all cleaned underneath, I will be ready for a new nail design. And if you follow me on Instagram, which I will have my Instagram link in the description box below, you can see the new set of nails that I did on my Instagram. And tomorrow, Saturday, March 9th, I will have that new nail video up for you. And now I'm going to do the same thing to the ring finger. Just taking the drill bit from one side to the other side, tapping out the dust and being very careful and just filing off the lifted nail. And that's pretty much it. Now, in the past, when I have had nail enhancements on and my nails have grown out quite a bit, there's been times where I just removed all of the product and I had all my natural nails the same length underneath, and removed all the product and applied a clear gel overlay on top of my natural nails. But yeah, I'm not going to do that this time. I'm going to keep wearing my enhancements. And that's pretty much it. And now I just use my brush and I brush out the dust. And that's what they look like so far. I've got all that lifted nail off and they look clean. And I have cleaned them with isopropyl alcohol now. As you can see, they're a little bit wet. I did take the pinky nail quite a ways down and also the pointer finger down quite a ways. And yeah, they're all ready now to start my new nail design. And that's it. This is the not so glamorous side of nail enhancements, but it has to be done. And I am waving at you with my black gloves on because I already have one hand all finished. And now it's time to do this hand. And thank you all so much for watching. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.